Good morning, everyone. Tony Reed here from the Drone Cadets. Guess where we're at? We are in Philadelphia, the University of Pennsylvania, at the 5th Annual Teen Tech Summit. All right, we're here hosting along with some great partners. All right, not only are we here with FIDA USA, we're here with Sky Duo and the host of all hosts, Grace 3 Technologies. Today is not only just a significant day, today is the ultimate day because we do this annually. Kids today in Philadelphia are going to do the following. They're going to be competing in the drone soccer competition. We not only brought one, we brought two cages here so that the students can compete. At the end, someone's going to win the Philadelphia FIDA drone soccer belt. So, are you ready? Because we are ready. We do this every year. Let's get excited. We are in Philadelphia, people. Let's get drone soccer and let's get these kids exposed. Let's go. All right, folks, this is it. We're here in Philadelphia, again at the University of Pennsylvania. All right, this is for the Drone Soccer Team Summit Championship. All right, this is the first of many. All right, we did it over in the Bronx. We did it in Queens. We did it in Brooklyn. So now we are here in Philadelphia, all right, doing it first time, not the only time. So we have these young people here competing for the gold, competing for the bragging rights. Like I said before, it's about teamwork, it's about competition, it's about communication. And it's what it's all about today that we've done today with these students. It's been a blast, but only one can be the champion. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. The world is ready. West Philadelphia versus Germantown. Let's go. Drone soccer time, baby.
For more info, visit dronecadets.com.